When should you get your car repaired after an accident? Well, the simple answer is when everybody's had a chance to look it over. For example, if you're in an accident and you've sustained significant body damage to your vehicle, obviously you want to take pictures, you want to look it over, you want your body shop person to look it over and give you an estimate for the damages, but you also want the insurance people to come out and give their estimate. A claims adjuster will look it over. So after everybody's gotten a look at the vehicle or the pictures of the vehicle, everybody has the information they want. Generally, it's okay to get it fixed at that point. But there is an exception to the rule. And again, you should talk to your lawyer about this if this exception applies.